Okay, I've checked the mouth. I don't know if you can see it, but where I want the block to go, I marked that on each side. I also measured in, so should be pretty close to where we want the screw to go. So we want to make sure we hit that. So we're going to drill a hole in here. See how close we are. Go up a little higher. Okay, that's where we want that. And we'll do the same to this side on our mark. Just a little bit. Okay, so that's where we want that. So now we'll take our Dremel again, and we're going to take some of this out so we can inset the screw and cover it up later. So I'm going to use an 1 5/8" screw for this. And we'll do the same to this one. Set. So I got the screw hole going so it'll catch in our block okay. And we might have to take more out in here. I won't know till I get this set to see how it's going to go. So what we'll do is we'll screw this in, and then I'll put a little bit of glue so it won't turn later on if it loosens up. The glue will hold it stiff. I think that's what I want, so we'll try that. I think our mouth might be okay. Tighten up this side. Set. Now you can see we got a little bit of a gap on each side here. That's what we wanted, so our mouth doesn't catch on the sides. Got pretty good play in the mouth. I might take it down just a little more. Get a little more, or open up a little bit wider. So what we'll do is we'll mark it here. Okay, so we got that looking pretty good. So we're going to take a little more out so we get a little bit more of the mouth to open up just a little bit more. And then we'll be ready for the next step. Now I'll take that out from these two screws here, but this is going to stay in permanent. I'll put a drop of glue on each side to keep that from turning. So we're going to adjust that mouth, then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.